What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to learn something really cool. This is a series for Heartland POS system. So this is a POS system, point of sale system, that can be run at restaurants, in retail stores, and all kind of different setups and locations. And it's really neat, actually. A request came across to build a Power BI dashboard, and I was like, okay, let's look at the API. Have a really good API, and they have a really cool platform. So we'll be going over all the API endpoints to give you a little deeper dive into what's available, and it might spur your development. So let's get to it. Jumping right in, we can see the API Swagger documents. This is really good that Heartland has decided to make this available, because not all API developers have great Swagger documentation, and it makes it a pain to import into Postman or whatever your API software is, right? So you'll open this up, and we can see this is the entire definition for the API. So from there, you can import this into Postman, and the way to do that is you press import here, and then you paste that Swagger document URL into Postman, and this will bring it into this nice, neat file structure. So you'll see everything is here, and in the subsequent videos in this series, we'll go through sort of how to interact with the API and what each of the endpoints do. So let's go. Pretty cool. They have a labor category part, and we see there's nothing here. Again, this is a sandboxed account, so we don't have certain things set up. So we can say new job type group. We'll say landscaping. I don't know why. It just would make sense. Hourly fixed cost. We'll say $10 an hour. Assign job type. We'll say admin. And then we'll say, we'll just give it a manager role. Assign job types, so we don't want to assign all those. We'll just say admin, and then we'll say save changes. We'll see that save was successful. We see landscaping here. And if we go into here for we expand the folder, labor categories, and we set up labor categories. We make our Boolean set to false right here. And then we make an API call. Then we can see landscaping comes through, same structure as everything. Everything's nice and neat and crisp with this API. Love it. ID, name, deleted. Perfect. That gets us our labor categories.